Welcome back to the top news channel, BRF Update. If you find my video useful, don't forget to click like and subscribe. In this video, we will have the following main content. 1. You are unwitting. Meghan announces severing ties with her father, Thomas Markle. 2. The surprises of Meghan's belated confession in court. Trust betrayed. You are unwitting. Meghan announces severing ties with her father, Thomas Markle. Pushing us apart, he said. He alleges that Meghan instructed him to cease contacting his other children, and he believes this to be true. The father of Thomas Markle claims that his daughter, Meghan, urged him to cease communicating with the rest of his children. Some readers said it has been abundantly clear that Meghan Markle has some kind of clinical aversion to family and continues to act out of subconscious anger or rage. She attempts to, with no conscience, destroy family ties in her first family, marriage, her own Markle family, and her husband's family. And she's good at it. She has no conscience. That's what is scary. Harry has embraced it, which will eventually work against him. On the other hand, it seems that Harry has allowed himself with constant urging from the wife he now wholeheartedly depends on because he's kicked away all of his lifelong props. Family, as well as family trust, friends, country, public affection, all blown to smithereens. Is it any wonder that he totally supplicates to her? He has nothing and no one else left. In a recent interview, for the sake of his children, Mr. Markle said that he loved them all, but Meghan had not made any attempt to reach out and be friends. Mrs. Markle asked him to cease talking to both of my elder children, and I can't do that, he stated in an interview with GB News. It doesn't matter if they aren't doing well or even if they are horrible, since they are my children and I love them all. It seemed as though Meghan was not making any attempt to get to know her new classmates. The phone hung up on my daughter, Samantha, when she tried to reach out to her. The surprises of Meghan's belated confession in court. Trust betrayed. Is she a liar and a thief? Anger has erupted when Meghan Markle apologized in court. Court of Appeal ordered Meghan Markle to apologize for saying she had no involvement in the writing of Finding Freedom, which has sparked a reaction. Many readers think, as a U.S. citizen, I call BS. She didn't forget. She knew she was lying to protect her soiled image. She knew full well that she needed a win and contrived her victimhood. Others say, the master manipulator has been called out, lying in a court case and now trying to backpedal by saying she forgot. Perhaps this time she has overplayed her hand. The woman has more truths than most people have had hot dinners. The previous justice was hoodwinked by this woman and her lies. Let's hope the current justices won't be as gullible. A source recently said, Meghan Markle said she had no involvement in the book's writing. However, the Duchess of Sussex apologized to the Court of Appeals on Thursday for forgetting to authorize a former staffer to brief the writers of Finding Freedom. Jeremy Vine, caller Michael, questioned the Duchess's U-turn, stating she had betrayed the public's confidence by her behavior. But according to a royal expert, Meghan Markle is a classical narcissist. She's always plotting, scheming, and manipulating others. She's been doing it her entire life. She lies at the drop of a hat, knowing she's lying and not caring. She forces others to have to publicly deny or confirm her statements, i.e., the Archbishop of Canterbury having to deny he married them in a secret ceremony. She's a bully. She's jealous of everyone. Now, having been caught lying to the court, she will go on like nothing has happened. In her mind, she's always justified with everything she says and does. She's not going to stop. It's time to remove Harry's titles. He picked her so he can live with her. Many other readers said that the law should be seen to apply, justice seen to be done. They have admitted to perjury, the cause is relevant, vital information was withheld, and surely the couple and their authors would have remembered some details about the interactions during the past few months, yet no one volunteered the information to the court until this evidence was tabled. Then she remembered. Had the evidence not been tabled, they would have continued to forget the facts. Very convenient, very selective. Contrary to that, in a recent keynote, Michael replied, it's a good example of consistency. When she first got involved with the royal family, she was full of sound bites. The documentary about her life was shown on TV, and she gave a speech in which she thanked her father for all of his help throughout her education. There was another speech where she claimed to have airbrushed out her father because he worked to pay for her education, which was contradictory because she was speaking at a women's organization.